This is the latch of your glove box compartment, and it may be broken. Actual piece that will break off is right here. There's supposed to be a plastic connection going in there, and it will push down on the plastic bit you see right there. Now when your dashboard lock is still mounted, you will be able to access it if you lift up the hatch, and there you can see the plastic that you're supposed to be moving. Let's see if I can get this sharp. Let's try this. As you can see, it's fairly easy. You can pry this and the lock will open. There you go. You see, so if your dashboard's stuck on the Opel Agila B or Suzuki Splash, this is the easiest way to pry open the lock when it's still mounted. When you open up the dashboard, you can order a new one. It's about 20 euros at the dealership. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.